Investors are dumping their properties. Let me explain. This is a midweek market update. It's actually October 1st. So when it comes to inventory, we actually had a pretty decent amount of decrease just between yesterday and today, almost 1,000 units. But overall, guys, I'm pretty sure we're going to see that inventory back. In terms of from last year to this year, last year at this time, we had just over 20,000 or 25,000 listings available for sale. Today, we have 29,500. So we got about 4,500 units more than what we did last year, which represents almost 18% increase in inventory from last year. And from the beginning of this year, this is a really crazy ass number, but we actually have 98% more inventory, which is like 14,637 units more just from January 1st to today, which is wild. But anyways, sales. Week over week, we are up about 4%, only 45 units. Year to date, we are still down 12%. But interestingly enough, freehold, we're down 9.5%, and condo, we're down 16%. Price, when I look at this week versus 52-week high, we are basically down 4%, represents about $43,000, $44,000 in average sale price. But when I look at it from week of September 3rd to the average right now, October 1st, we're actually up almost 5%, which represents almost a $50,000 increase in average selling price. Now, the statement I made earlier about like investors selling all their properties, well, we just came to the end of third quarter. We actually had a pretty good third quarter, but what I wanted to break down is that we actually had 4 people sell their investment properties. So this was one of the categories that we haven't really talked about, but it kind of makes sense, right, guys? Like where it's going to cost you to carry your property right now and what you are going to be paying into it versus what the appreciation looks like in the short term, it just might not be worth it. I always say that investment in real estate is a long-term investment. It's slow growth, but I think we're always forgetting that real estate for most is for your shelter. So I think we always get carried away when we talk about real estate. It becomes an investment thing, which it is, but we also have to remember the basic need of real estate is for shelter. So your reasons have to align. So not only that we saw a large number of investors dump their properties, but the interesting thing is that we saw a lot of first-time home buyers get into the market at the same time. And guys, we need these first-time home buyers to come to the market, so that helps other people kind of move up. And while we are talking about move up, another big category that we had was move up buyers. And these are the type of people that we are talking about. So maybe they have a stacked townhouse and they bought a detached house, something like that. So this market is still moving, guys. It's a very cool, interesting market. And maybe next week, what we're going to do is we're going to break down the first third of the year, and I'll give you guys a little bit more insight on what's going on. Hope you have an awesome rest of the week. Cheers.